On the Smith & Wesson, they have a hammer blocking safety. It sits right here, and a cam that sits in the side plate. This gun doesn't have that. So this piece is missing, and then the so-called hammer block or safety is missing. It has a different type of safety. It has a transfer bar, this piece right here. And the rebound is replaced because it doesn't need a rebound on the hammer anymore because the transfer bar. What's happened, of course, is that this pin right here has gone into the frame and retains the back of the cylinder, which basically retains the cylinder. When you push the thumb piece forward, it pushes this out of the frame. You can now swing the cylinder free. Of course, we have the spring-loaded detent that we talked about earlier, but that's just spring-loaded and doesn't matter. It will hold the cylinder sort of. It has spring tension. I've got the latch pushed. If I turn the cylinder up like that, that's what holds it. That spring-loaded plunger. Now drop the spring down the hole. Now take your tiny ball and drop it in the hole. Now take your punch and push your tiny ball farther down, compressing the spring. Then I take my safety and put it with the groove down so the pin, when you push it in, will go into and activate the safety itself. We push and retract the punch, and we should detent. And we do. That tells me that my tiny ball is in the right place. We'll check it again. Remember, clockwise, it turns it on. So now we're going to put the trigger in. The cylinder stop, as you know, is in. And frankly, it's easier if it's in place. So we're going to put the cylinder in place to hold it there. Now the cylinder stop is now spring-loaded in its working position. Now we take the trigger and we'll assemble it. Put the trigger in with the transfer bar. We'll put the hand in. Take a screwdriver or something and push the plunger in. Don't lose the plunger and spring. I can't say it enough. I am very impressed with what Taurus is doing these days. It's a good value, and it's the guns. They got a gun for just about anybody. In fact, this 218B, I think I need.